Let me say something controversial. Not all Chinese cars are bad, but not all Chinese cars are smart to buy either. As a dealer, there are brands I would never import, even if someone gave them to me for free. At Aladi Autos, we do not just look at price, we look at risk. Because a car is not just what you buy today, it is what you must maintain tomorrow. First category, brands with unstable financial history. Companies like Zoltier, Dorsen, and some older Lifan passenger models. When a manufacturer struggles financially, parts supply becomes uncertain. Think about what happened to Peugeot Nigeria when local support reduced. Nigerians do not just buy cars. Nigerians buy peace of mind. I do not import companies. I import confidence. Second category, brands without a strong Nigerian support ecosystem. Brilliance, Jinbei passenger models, some FAW sedans. A car is only as strong as its support system. Some early Chery models imported around 2010 faced this exact problem. Not because they were bad cars, but because parts circulation was not mature yet. If mechanics do not know it and parts are scarce, even a good car becomes a burden. Third category, unknown electric car brands. Electric vehicles are the future, but infrastructure timing matters. Even established brands like BYD and Hyundai Kona Electric still face charging and technician limitations in Nigeria. Now imagine buying an EV that nobody here understands or supports. I would confidently recommend electric cars from BYD, Geely, even the Avatar, but I will not import unknown EV brands that customers cannot support. Being early is smart, being stranded is not. Fourth category, cheap luxury cars designed to look like a Range Rover or a Porsche. The Zoltier SR9. Certain BAIC luxury sedans. Complexity increases maintenance risk. Nigerian conditions reward simplicity far more than they reward luxury electronics. I would rather recommend a simple, reliable Chinese car over a complicated, cheap luxury vehicle trying to impress on the outside while falling apart on the inside. Fifth category, cars imported purely because they are cheap. This is where many dealers make their biggest mistake. You see a foreign used SUV under 10 million naira, and you move without asking the right questions. Then the problems arrive without warning, and the repair bills match what you originally paid for the car. Before I import anything, I do not ask how cheap it is. I ask one question: will my customers still trust me after buying this? Chinese cars are not the problem. They are already being adopted across every income level in Nigeria, from budget buyers to upper class buyers choosing elite priced models. The problem is dealers who choose the lowest price over the right product. Smart dealers choose trusted brands. Weak dealers chase margins and disappear after the sale. If you want me to share the 5 Chinese cars I personally consider safe to buy in Nigeria right now, reliable, easy to maintain with solid resale value, comment the word safe below.